Imagine starting an online business that can easily make you $1,000 every month without spending any money from your pocket. That business is YouTube automation. While there are many paid AI tools out there that can help you make videos in a matter of seconds, but they are all paid. So today in this video, I will teach you how you can start a fresh YouTube channel on the best evergreen niche and then scale it to a money-making machine in just 3 months completely for free. So if you are really serious about making money from YouTube right away, then just sit back and watch the video till the end, because by the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge, resources, and free tools needed to make your first viral video on your brand new channel. Talking about the niche while doing deep research, I found this channel named Astrum. This channel has more than 2 million subscribers with only 377 videos, which shows the power of this niche. This channel makes videos on the cosmic facts niche, like explaining how deep science has gone into researching the sun, how dinosaurs went extinct, facts about the most mysterious planet Venus, and other topics related to our solar system, which are very fun to watch. According to Social Blade, this channel is making around $30,000 every month. And that estimate is accurate, because if you take a look at their latest video, which was uploaded a few days ago, it is already ranking in hundreds of thousands of views, and making videos in the cosmic facts niche is much easier than you think. Starting a new channel is very important to ensure that you can have a fresh start without any hidden restrictions. For the channel name, we will take help from GPT. We will simply tell GPT that we create videos on the cosmic facts niche and ask it to provide us with some easy-to-remember YouTube channel names similar but different from the name Astrum. The reason we ask GPT to provide us with names like Astrum is that it is already a popular, unique, and easy-to-remember name. By doing this, GPT will essentially give us short, unique, and easy-to-remember names, which we will then use to create our new channel. After creating a channel, the most important step is to do channel branding so that it looks professional and leaves a long-lasting impression on our viewers. For that, our first step is to make a unique and good-looking logo. We will simply ask GPT that for our channel, which is about cosmic facts, we want to create a unique and good-looking logo that can help our channel stand out in the ocean of competition. GPT will then provide us with some of the best image prompts for our channel logo. In return, GPT will give you solid image prompts, and for each of you, the prompts will be different, so you can easily create unique logos for your channel next. You can read the image prompts that GPT provides and pick one. Then, ask GPT to make me an image of, and simply paste that prompt. GPT will create the perfect logo for your channel. I recommend using GPT for creating your channel logo because it provides excellent results. However, if you don't like the logo, you can try other prompts and create a better logo, or simply use Leonardo or any other text-to-image tool. After that, we will open YouTube Studio, upload our logo, and move on to creating our channel banner. In the beginning, you can either skip the banner part, or, in our case, just use a simple black background with text like "in progress," which gives a cool vibe. You can add text like "loading," "processing," or "coming soon," or something similar, because it's better to do something than doing nothing. In the beginning, this banner will work, and after some time, you can create a fancy banner for your channel based on your unique style. Finally, we will ask GPT to write a description for our YouTube channel explaining that we make videos about cosmic facts. The description should tell viewers what our channel is about and what they can expect to see in our videos. It should also be SEO optimized to help the YouTube algorithm understand our channel, and should use easy and simple English. GPT will provide a well-written, professional description. You can simply copy the description, paste it into your channel description box, and publish it. Just like that, we have successfully created a professional YouTube channel. By the way, if you're looking to connect with creators like yourself, share ideas, and grow together, join my free Discord community using the link in the description. Now, the best and easiest way to get video topics is by using GPT, because GPT has knowledge about every ongoing trend and interesting topics. This will make things easier for us. We will simply ask GPT to provide us with some interesting video topics that a large audience may find engaging and worth watching in the cosmic facts niche. In return, GPT will provide you with video topics that are likely to perform well, as these results are based on the latest audience interests. This allows you to choose a video topic topic without wasting hours researching on your own. However, when it comes to the script, most people make the mistake of asking GPT to write me a YouTube video script on this topic. And in return, GPT gives them a script that is completely robotic and lacks emotions and storytelling. This happens because the command is too basic. Instead, we will provide GPT with a professional and powerful prompt. First, we will ask GPT for a long story script in the form of paragraphs on a particular topic, and then paste our chosen video topic. Next, we will specify that the script length should be approximately 10 minutes long, so GPT understands the required length. We will also command GPT to use only simple and easy English, avoiding hyperbolic and overly complicated language. Hyperbolic language refers to the robotic tone GPT often uses. Finally, we will specify that GPT should not provide additional context like narrator, person, or speaker, because we just want a solid script. Following this approach, GPT will provide you with a powerful, retention-grabbing script. Once you read it, you'll realize how impactful the script can be if you learn how to command GPT properly. Don't worry. I have listed every prompt along with links to all the tools we will use today in a Google document. You'll find the link to that document in the description. It's completely free, so use it however you like. In the final step, we will ask GPT to provide us with image prompts related to our script. Since we want a new image to pop up every 3 seconds, we will instruct GPT to write a separate image prompt for every sentence. This way, you will have a unique image prompt for every scene. Besides images, we will also use something else, which I will explain later in the video. For voiceover, we will use 11 Labs because it has the most realistic voices. Later, I will also show you how to monetize your channel even if you are using the free version of 11 Labs. First, go to the Voices section and then to the Library, where you'll find thousands of free AI voices. I'll guide you on the best type of voice for cosmic videos. First, select Narrative and Story, then choose the English language. After that, all these voices will be suitable for story-type videos. Simply listen to different voices and choose the one you like best. Then click Add, and the voice will be added to your voiceovers list. Next, go back to GPT, copy your script, and paste it into 11 Labs. From the voiceover characters, you can see our special voiceover has been added, so just click on it to select it. Then click Generate and download your voiceover once it's ready. As for monetizing your channel with the free plan of 11 Labs, it's very simple. In the description of each video, just write that the voiceover is generated by 11 Labs and include the link to 11 Labs. That's all you need to do, and you're good to go. When it comes to visuals, we will use multiple and different types of visuals to make our videos stand out from the competition. First, we will use Leonardo AI to generate our images. To do this, we will simply copy and paste our first image prompt from GPT into Leonardo AI, click on the star icon, and then click on Improve Prompt. Leonardo will enhance the prompt, making it longer and better. I'm talking about the prompt, guys. Then simply select a good image model. I would suggest using the Phoenix image model. Leave the rest of the settings as they are. Change the ratio to 16:9, and finally, click Generate. Leonardo will start making our images. I'll make sure, guys, that after this tutorial, you won't need to go anywhere else on YouTube. Our images will be ready in no time. Just check out the image quality, guys. Isn't it wonderful? Now, we will simply download the images and repeat the same process for every image to further take things to another level. Besides images, we will also use some good stock videos in our video. You can get free stock videos from platforms like Canva, Pexels, Pixabay, and Vecteezy. You just have to search using relevant keywords. For example, I will search for something related to our script, and like this, you can easily download stock videos for your project, which will further make your videos interesting. Besides that, there are copyright-free stock video channels on YouTube as well. You can also take their videos and simply mention their channel in your video description. Now, simply import everything into an editing software. First, place the voiceover on the timeline, then remove all the empty spaces from the voiceover to make the video fast-paced and free from awkward silent parts. This is a must-do step and plays a huge role in maintaining audience retention. After you have adjusted the voiceover, it's time to carefully place all the clips on the timeline and arrange them according to the voiceover. Here's a small tip. If you can't find any clip related to a specific part of your video, you can just add simple text text on the screen, which will keep the engagement up without breaking the flow. Arranging clips according to the voiceover can be a bit tricky, but over time, you will become more comfortable with this step. Once you've arranged all the clips, it's time to add some good transitions between them. But adding random transitions won't work. Depending on the situation of your video, you can easily understand which transition you need to add. For the cosmic facts niche, transitions like black fade, camera flash transitions, and swipe animations usually work best. You can take your time and add transitions between your clips. To take things to another level, you can also add effects to your video. In CapCut, there are limitless effects, and you can find effects that best suit your situation. For images, there are motion effects in CapCut that add depth and motion to the images, so you should give it a try. Then, to enhance the quality of your video, I recommend adding my personal effect that I use in my videos, called the Clear 2 effect. It basically enhances the overall quality of the video. Now comes the most important step, which plays a huge role in maintaining audience retention. Captions. In CapCut, we can generate captions with just one click using CapCut's auto caption feature. There are more than 50 templates in CapCut for captions that you won't find anywhere else. That's why I always recommend CapCut when it comes to adding eye-catching captions. Once you've selected the captions, place them at the bottom of the screen and reduce their size. Finally, add background music. You can easily download copyright-free music from YouTube, Pixabay, or Mixkit. Simply reduce the volume of the background music so that it complements the video, and we're done. Our video is ready. Just export it, and let's have a look at the final results.
Imagine a place where time itself bends, a cosmic doorway so mysterious that even light cannot escape its grip. This is a black hole, a region in space where gravity is so powerful that the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. But what if these enigmatic objects could do more than just swallow stars and planets? What if they could act as portals, allowing us to travel into the future? While it may sound like science fiction, the idea isn't as far-fetched as it seems. Let's explore the fascinating possibility of black holes and their relationship with time.
Now we will use Canva to make our thumbnail. First, select the YouTube thumbnail format. Then, import one of the images you created in Leonardo AI for your video, ensuring that you choose the best possible image. There's no need to add much else. Just include simple text on the image that gives the viewer an idea about the video and creates curiosity in their mind to watch it. You can place the text either at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on what suits the image best. Take your time selecting a bold font, adjusting the text color, and adding effects to make it look more professional. Once you're done, your thumbnail is ready. Okay guys, so finally, we will upload our video on our channel with proper SEO. First, we will go back to GPT. Next, we will ask GPT to provide us with complete SEO for our video so it can appear in search results and the browse feature in front of the right audience. GPT will give us a short, eye-catching title, a well-written description, tags, and hashtags. Once we have all the information, simply copy and paste it correctly into your video details. Then, regarding the video category, our video will fall under the educational category because, alongside storytelling, we've provided detailed information about the specific topic, including scientific research. This will help in the educational category, and yes, you're right, our RPM, revenue per thousand views, will be pretty good since our niche is educational. Also, most of our audience will be from the USA and UK. As for the video upload time, for long videos, upload time doesn't affect long-term growth, as YouTube itself states. However, it's still a good idea to upload when most of your audience is active, especially in Western countries like the USA and UK, and that's it. This was a complete guide for anyone serious about making money from YouTube. If someone had guided me like this when I first started, I would have saved lots of time and effort. So, don't miss this chance. It's in your hands now, but you'll still fall short if you don't know how to edit good videos. For that, you can watch my short guide on professional CapCut video editing by clicking on the video popping up on the screen right now.